Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking to you about Connix Plus and show you what's inside the box, how to sync up and fit Connix Plus to your tractor and some of the key features. Let's head over to the studio and see what's inside the box. Connix Plus is a wireless trailer light. It has a 20-meter range, has a 10-hour battery life, magnetic, is LED, multifunctional and multi-vehicle. Now, let's dive into it. Now Connix comes inside of a hard case, which is great for storage. When we open the box, we have our instruction manual. We then have the two lights themselves, and on the lights, you have a number plate indicator, you have the brake light along the bottom, a pulsing indicator, and a fog light all the way around the edge. On the back of Connix Plus, it comes with a heavy duty magnet so you can place it anywhere on your trailer and you know it's going to be secure. The beauty of Connix Plus is it can be charged in multiple ways and places. So we have a USB charging cable, we have our 3-pin plug with a European adapter. We also have 12-volt vehicle connector with a USB plug so we can charge the lights themselves inside our tractor. And on our display indicator, again, we have another USB port. On the display indicator, you can see the charge that your lights have remaining, the different functions that your lights are going through, and you can also turn the lights on and off from inside the cab. And lastly, we have our 7-pin plug to connect our lights to the tractor. Now we've seen what's inside the box, let's head over to the farm and show you how to fit Connix Plus. Now we've seen what's inside the box of Connix Plus, let's run through how to fit Connix Plus to your tractor and implement. First up, we need to go to the back of our tractor where we can find the 7-pin plug. We have our wireless receiver. So we take that out of the box and then simply all we have to do is plug this in to the tractor. And it's as easy as that. Now, let's head into the cab and pair our lights. First up, we need to turn on the ignition of the tractor. Once we've done that, we then just need to power on our Connix Plus lights by clicking them. We then hold down the power button for 5 seconds. This initiates the pairing with our wireless receiver. Now we've paired our Connix Plus lights, all that's left to do is to plug in our display indicator. This goes into any 12-volt vehicle connector. This means we can see how much charge each light has and the functions that it is currently running through. Lastly, we can turn off our lights from inside the cab using our display indicator. Now, all that's left to do is put our Connix lights onto our trailer. What's great about Connix Plus is they're magnetic, so they can fit on a whole host of implements. Now, let's get out there and see what they look like.